شريك له وأشهد
أن محمدا عبده ورسوله. I bear witness that there is no God, none worthy of worship except Allah. He is alone. He has no partner, no associates. And I bear witness that Prophet Muhammad is the messenger and the humble servant of God. I accept Allah as my Lord. I accept Prophet Muhammad as peace be upon him, as the messenger of God, and I accept Islam as my religion. Congratulations, brother.
Allahu Akbar.
Salat. MashaAllah, brother.
MashaAllah. Ahlan wa sahlan.
Thank you.
Okay, stand up, please.
MashaAllah.
Welcome to Islam, brother.
I appreciate it, my man. Appreciate it. Thank you.
And as I mentioned, according to the words of the Holy Prophet,
Yes, sir.
so you are free from all the sins and everything, and you are like a newborn child. There is nothing upon you today. So
Thank you, sir.
it's clean.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Appreciate you. Thank you. My bad.